Hello दोस्तों, welcome back to SkillsTechy channel. So in the last session we have covered the Padmas rule. I hope you guys have gone through that video. And now I assume that you learned the arithmetic operations, how we write some piece of code in Python. Now in today's video or session we are going to cover the string operations. As you know, 80 to 90% of data in this world is in the form of text data. So as we have seen in last few segments, Python handles text data generally via the string data type. I hope you remember the data type which we have earlier discussed. So, and this makes the strings perhaps one of the most important data types, and hence learning how to work with string is crucial. So in this video you will learn about various operations and manipulations which are applicable to a string. So I have already given the heading of string operations so that you can understand what we are going to do here. So in string operations, whenever we are assigning a character or a string, we use the quotation mark, so which represent a character. Let me write it in the comment. So which represents a character. So how we are going to do that? So we'll assign some name like H, or D could be John. Let's take E. So we'll put John into we'll put this into double quotation. Okay. Let's take Basha. Okay. So if we print this, let's check what it comes. C D E. As you can see, it is giving me as John Vipasa. It is in like we can represent this character by single quotation as well as double quotation mark also. Now when we want to include words with a single quote, let's take such as did not or I will, we might end up with an error. We might end up with an error like let's take an example. So let me first put the comment. If we use any single quote for words such as I इसको अगर हम ऐसे लें like but or I did not. So it will reflect an error. How it will reflect an error? We'll do it. See, if we print as I said, single quotation, then I did not know. So if we print this, it will give an error of invalid syntax, that is T. So we have two options to resolve this error. So first solution would be, if we write first solution would be very easy. If we use like double quotation into this, it will correct us. And second would be my first preference. We can use escape character. We can use escape character like backslash. Okay, so print let's say we are using single quotation and I did not. What we'll do, we'll put this backslash here. Now you can see it is giving me the correct answer. Okay, so escape character, which we saw earlier, can also be used for other stuff like adding a new line. Okay, so escape character can also be used to add new line. For example, if we print, let's say double quotation, hi John, then we put escape character like this, how are you doing? See, so what this escape character is doing, it is adding a line into this code. So if we use this backslash n, how are you doing, then it will add up the line here. So I hope you understand the use of string, which is a common data type and mostly used in coding. So this is for today. Thank you. Bye bye.